The upload is done. Bye Sauraha. This video is already up there in YouTube. You guys can check it out. So people, I and Priyadarshini, we both were about to go outside on scooter, but she is having cold. Hey, what? I need to wash my scooter after my Sauraha ride. I did not do that. So what I am doing is I'm going alone. I'll wash the scooter. I'll come back. I'll park my scooter here, and then we both will go. कसरी कारमा हामी गाडीमा जान्छौँ. किन जान लाग्छौँ भने यसको फेभरेट चिज खानु पर्यो रे आज. के खान्छ छोरीले आज? अजीब पुच्छर फ्राइज एन्ड बर्गर भनेको हैन. ओके म आउँछु है त गएर.
ओके तैले सन मरा मिलिदिदी मेरो नयाँ भाबीसँग खेल्दै गर्छ अनि तपाई त्यो भन्दा ढिलो भयो भने डान्स गर्दै.
Okay, please do that. And people, this is a new setup that I have done. I'll have to check that also. This is a new helmet and new camera setup that I have done. I have to see if the angle, everything is cool for my bike's ride or not. That also I'll do it while I'm on my scooter.
Not bike, scooter.
But I call it my bike, Choro.
Oh no.
I know that sound recording is happening because I had checked that, but I am not sure about the angle. I'll stop the bike somewhere and I'll check that also. And as I was about to go for the scooter bike wash, I came to know that there is a free bike wash for Yamaha customers. So let me go there and check out if it is like that. In that case, I'll get the scooter washed for free. It's nearby only, Bhatpatini छेउमा नै छ भन्ने मैले सुनेको थिएँ. So I'll go there, I'll do the needful and then I'll come and pick up Priyadarshini and we'll go for our fun day. Yeah? Ajay? Yamaha ko free wash event. Let's do it. I just got a call from AKR. So I'll go and meet him also now.
12 seconds later.
I'm not taking this service. It's really irritating, man. You have to download the app and then bloody get yourself registered in that app. And you have to fill whole details of the car and you have to ask. I mean, you have to so much of process. Malai chahiye na Yamaha timro free service, free wash. I'll do it myself. मेरो घर छेउमा छ. त्यहाँ गएर म आनन्दले वाश गरौँला. कुनै पनि फ्री सर्भिसहरु दिँदाखेरि यदि झन्झटिलो प्रोसेस बनाइदियो भने इट डजन्ट मेक सेन्स. अब कोहीलाई या फर फ्यु पिपल इट माइट मेक सेन्स. फर मी इट्स आई डोन्ट केयर. यस, I need to now meet AKR. He's here in Kathmandu. He just came back after completing his east-west motorcycle ride. खै त सुरेश कहाँ गयो? ल सुरेशलाई भन्देऊ नि त म गएँ. ल bye bye guys. So AKR came to meet Dipesh. So at that time I thought I'll also meet Suresh and AKR. Welcome to Kathmandu. They've come here for an event. And yeah, you all know I did not wash my bike. What I'll do is I'll go home and now I will pick up my darling daughter and go for a day out. Let's do that. त्यो त तिमी जहिले पनि मलाई भन्छौ नि हो हैन. तिम्रो होमवर्कहरु सक्यो?
सक्यो.
केही बाँकी छ कि थोरै भए पनि?
छैन. बस एउटा बुक रिड गर्नु बाँकी छ.
So when are you planning to do that?
Yes.
आज बेलुका? After our burger and fries thing?
Yes.
अरु के खान्छे आज? अरु के गर्न मन छ तिमीलाई भन त. What are the things? What are all the things that you want to do today? What is it that you want to do today?
Dance.
You want to dance? And where do you want to go and dance? You want to come back here and dance, or you want to do it somewhere outside?
No, I want to come over here and dance.
Are you going to come back here at our home and then dance?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do that. है त बुवा छोरी सँगै नाच्ने है त. ल, let's go.
12 बजे निस्किने भने 3 बजे सकेछ.
किन हामी ढिलो भयो भन त?
तपाईको स्कुटर
के गर्न गएको थिए बुवा? नधोइकन आए नि त हो के?
किन?
एकदम बेसी झन्झट रहेछ के साना त्यहाँ स्कुटर धुनलाई.
के झन्?
एप डाउनलोड गर्नु पर्यो रे, के इन्फर्मेसन हाल्नु पर्यो रे. ताइट बरु म आफै धुन्छु भनेर म फर्केर आएको. 3 बजिसक्यो भने त मेरो छोरालाई भोक पनि लाग्यो होला नि त तर अघि डेट्सहरू खाएको ठिकै भएछ है त डेट्स काजु पिस्ता के खायो तिमीले
डेट्स काजु पिस्ता बदाम दिदियो तपाईँ अघि नै आफै गाली गरिरहनु भएको थियो अनि तपाईँ अहिले आफै खुसी हुनुहुन्छ कि मैले खाएँ
गाली गरेको होइन नि म छोरीलाई गाली गर्दै गर्दिनँ मैले त सम्झाएको नि तिमीले अघि एकदम अर्ली थियो अब के थाहा त यस्तो ढिलो हुन्छ भने एनिवेज कहिले काहीँ यस्तो हुन्छ लेट्स गो एन्ड attack let's go and attack the burger
and
fries yes
don't forget that thing
okay I'll not forget that I'm sorry come
coming
सानाको रेड एन्ड ब्ल्याक बुवाको ब्लू एन्ड ब्ल्याक तर बुवाको पनि रेडको अलिकति मिक्सचर चाहिँ छ के होइन जुत्तामा
अनि मेरो व्हाइट पनि मिक्स छ
छोरीको चाहिँ व्हाइट मिक्स रहेछ
एउटा डिफरेन्स
ओ यस सफाचट छ त छोरी पुरै इन्जोय गरेको हो वाबाल इन्जोय गरेको नो टाइम टु टक अर डिस्कस कन्सन्ट्रेटिङ सब सक्यो त अब कहाँ जाने हामी तिमीलाई कहाँ जान मन छ के गर्न मन छ भन न कम के छ हाकिम साहब हालखबर
सब ठिक छ
तिमी आएको कि जान लागि के हो नमस्ते गर ल बाबाई कम साना जाउँ केयरफुल्ली बस त्यो अर्को गाडीमा ढोका खोल्दा अर्को गाडीमा नलागोस् है छोरो छोरो तिमीले आज के गर्नुपर्छ थाहा छ गार्गल पनि गर्नुपर्छ अनि बाफ पनि लिनुपर्छ किनभने तिम्रो रुगा झन् बढ्यो अहिले गट द्याट यो अहिले भर्खर मैले भेटेको मान्छे को हो थाहा छ छोरो उयो अगाडिको गाडीमा बुवासँग पहिला ब्याङ्कमा सँगै काम गर्ने साथी हो नि हिज नेम इज चन्दन कार्की कस्तो भिड हो आज के हो यस्तो थाकिस् छोरो कहिले पनि थाक्नेवाला छैन ल ढोका लगा people we didn't go anywhere outside because Priyadarshini is not feeling that well I can see that हैन अलिकति आँखा रसिलो छ बोलीमा पनि त्यो रुगा लाग्नु भन्दा अगाडि हुन्छ नि so that's the symptoms that she's showing I think she is getting cold so we thought we'll not go outside we'll come back home and we'll rest now we'll ask her to gargle and then yeah we'll take rest that's it another short vlog tongue twister comes to an end. I'll see you in my next vlog. Have a wonderful time. Stay happy. Bye bye. Ciao.